Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to flip data in Excel. Let's begin the video. So I have some raw data here and I want to flip the data downside up, upwards or upside downwards. So I'll show you with one example here. I'll use one column called as helper column. Okay, so I'll just number them like this. So I want this 15th row in the first and this 14th one in the second. So likewise I just want to flip the data. Okay, let's see how it can be done. So what I have just inserted this helper column. Once my activity is done, then I will delete this helper column. Okay, I just select this. I'll just go to data, sort. Okay, then I need to make sure that my data has headers. Then I need to sort based on the helper. Okay, from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, or we also have custom list. I'm using this largest to smallest and I'll just say okay. You can see instantly the data has been flipped. Okay, from downwards to upwards. Yeah, this is how you can do it. This is one method. Then once my activity is done, I can just delete this column. Okay, now I'll show you the second method. Here we will use the index method. Okay, here we are going to use the index method. See, first of all we need to understand what is an index. Index returns the value of an element in a table or a position in a table. Okay, let's see how it works. I've already done it here, but I will show you practically how it works by using the index function as well as the row function. Here is equal to index. I'm selecting this column entire range and I will log this range by pressing F4. Okay, comma, then select rows. Then which rows we want? We want these rows, right, from here to here. Okay, then again I need to freeze this A16 because this is going to be the last column, and this every time when we switch down, this A2 has to become A3 and A3 has to become A4. That is the reason I'm not locking this. Okay, then I'll just say enter and I'll just double click over here. For sake of convenience, I'll hide this. Okay, so you can see Lucas Hofer is in first position now. Robert is in second position now. Yeah? Robert Richardson is in third position now. Hope you are able to understand this. Then likewise I'll do the sales. Okay, is equal to, I'll insert the index function and again I will lock this after selecting. Then we have to use the rows function. Then again I will use this. Okay, again I will log this because this should be constant. Then close the bracket and end. Enter. So here you can see for Lucas Hofer it is 39,192. We have 39,192. For example, Paul Hill, here we have 24,000. You can see Paul Hill we have 24,000. See, Gary Miller we have 25,228. You can find Gary Miller here 25,228. So I hope this is very helpful to you. So in this way you can flip the data by using index and row function. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.